Alright, let's do it again. Once again. You'll notice my beautiful new hat. It's not new, it's something I've owned for a while. I actually own 3 of them, but a friend of mine used it when we were making the drone video. And hi, why are you so weird? Where the fuck are you? Hi weirdo. Yeah, we're going for a walk. It's never happened before. It's the most exciting thing that's ever happened in the whole world. See, this is why I like her. I like her because she's just excited about life. And she's so excited to go on a walk. My other dogs are like, oh, it's time to go on a walk. Let's go on a walk. It's a fun walk. We'll go have a good time. But she's just got a tiny brain or something that she thinks it's so exciting as heck to do it. It's wonderful. Anyway, so back to my hat. This is a really big hat. I know where they're made. I can hook you up with the supplier. There's only one fault on this hat. I mean, it's huge. This hat will shade your whole body from the sun. Like, you'll be way cooler looking and also feeling getting the fuck out of the sun. This hat's like its own umbrella, you know? Like, there's people who carry umbrellas around for shade. That seems inconvenient, but it is lacking a strap, and that's because if this hat was used and there was any wind at all, then it would blow off your head really quick, even faster than a normal hat, which will also blow off your head, and which should also have a strap. So in both cases, your hat should have a strap. So I mention this because this hat guy is one of my viewers. He likes hats a lot, so he mentioned that other hat, and I realized, holy shit, I have that hat sitting right there hanging on my wall. I should wear that hat. So now I'm wearing it. Thank you for your input.